It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Logan, if you don't know me already. I am in Austin, Texas. Still, if you didn't already watch the grand opening of Seth's Detail Garage, definitely go check that out. I will link it right above my head. But I'm still hiding out at the detail shop. If you guys are in Austin, Texas, definitely come and check this out. I'll put the address in the description below. I'm actually back here in the back office area, trying to post Friday's YouTube video. I'm trying to think of what I want to post this, or I'm trying to think of what I want to caption this video as the title, because basically the video is me explaining what to charge for your first detail. But I'm looking up in the search results and everything's too saturated. I know this doesn't make a lot of sense to you guys, but I'm thinking I'll just put how much you should be charging, mobile detailing, and then my name. A lot goes into something simple like titling a YouTube video that I still don't understand, because it's not like I'm a professional yet. Maybe if you're watching this 4 years in advance, I have a couple million subs. If so, awesome. But yeah, I'm trying to figure out what I want to caption this. Right out the description. It's pretty much done rendering. But anyways, that's all besides the point. I'm going to sit back here, finish editing a video, post Friday's video, and then we're going to film some footage on Seth's Ferrari 488, which will be pretty fun. We'll get some 0 to 60 and some pretty cool pops of the exhaust in that car. So I have a dilemma. I just finished editing the video and I'm about to post it. I can't decide, so I normally do this. I make 2 thumbnails every single time I make a video. So I have this one, which is just some random guy on the internet detailing a car. And then, hey, let me shut this door so you guys can hear me a little bit better. Okay, option A, this random guy detailing this Tesla, what you should be charging for your customers. Or option B, which is me just talking. Every single time I make a video, I do the exact same thing. I make 2 thumbnails, and then I can't decide which one I like better. I'm about to just go around the detail garage, maybe ask a couple other people what they think. But, I mean, by now, obviously, the video's already posted, and you guys have probably seen it a week or 2 ago by the time you're watching this video. But every single time, I wonder if, any other YouTubers have this issue. I don't know, maybe I should just ask some other people what they think. But every single time, I always have this, weird dilemma where I'm I don't know which one to post. They're both good, but in different ways. This one's me, so obviously it's more valuable for my channel. But this one just looks so, clean cut, and, I don't know. All right, I asked everyone what they thought. So pretty much everyone voted the bottom one out of the 2. I personally like the top one better just because it's more clean, but I agree with everyone else's opinion that this is me, and it's my channel, and it kind of makes no sense to post a thumbnail of somebody else. Anyways, I'm about to get ready to post this video right now. I think I need to do next. Every single time I post a video, I'm always skeptical, because I'm oh crap, I probably forgot something because I was in a hurry, and then it's gonna be wrong, but whatever. Video is posted. Also, for some weird reason, I don't know why, but I always watch my videos right after I post them. Only one time. I never watch myself other than that, just because it's weird to see myself on YouTube. Everyone that does YouTube says the exact same thing, but I always watch my videos, and I always like them too, and you guys should also. But anyways, now this video is posted and I can move on to the next task. So update, I finally got that video posted. You guys go check it out. I'll put the link right above my head. But this is the Ferrari that I was talking about. Seth's 458. We'll get a cold start, hopefully some good 0 to 60 so I can show you guys. Shit. I'm gonna leave that in there. It's 488. I want a 458. A Ferrari 458 is my dream car. And every single time I see this car, I'm oh, nice 458. He's it's 488. Not 88, he says 88. But anyways, we'll get some nice cold starts on the Ferrari 488, as well as Mitch's Porsche Cayman. I always want to say 911. He's gonna kill me when he watches this. You guys have seen this car on my channel before, but what you haven't seen is this spoiler that he added to it. This is the most ridiculous, craziest spoiler I've ever seen on a Porsche, really any car. But I want you guys to comment down below if you think this is the most insanely amazing spoiler or the most absolutely not cool thing to do to a car. Put your comments below. Is it cool or is it not cool? So we got Seth's Ferrari Mitch's Porsche, and then as well as Cameron's Porsche as well, and that is a Volkswagen something. I have no idea because I don't know that much about cars. Just this view is like pretty crazy to see, like all these cars parked outside. Anytime I'm like around people with like cool cars and car detailing stuff and like just anything to do with cars, I'm always in a good mood just because it's like, it's not just cars, but just the crowd and the people you're around. It's just like cool people to be around. That was insane. So update, we're finished here. We're gonna go to Seth's house and get some pizza and chill. Over and it was like 105 or whatever it was. I'm like, Jesus. I think last time you were going at least 130 though.
165 is the fastest and it was still accelerating. Like it had so much more potential.
That's crazy. Where'd you do it at?
One of them was up here on a back road.
I thought you were gonna say it's like some track. That thing, like, it's not even an interstate.
And then another time
up here on some back road.
Another one was on a toll road. I was gonna try to get above 165, and there's just too many bumps, and it was just too sketchy. A lot of people have said that. So
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Woo, he gripped too well. Oh, here we go.
That's probably the best donut I've ever been in a car in, honestly. That's not like when you steal your mom's car when you're 16, you're not supposed to like break the tires loose, but you do it the first time, you're like, yeah, it's not the same.
It's so smooth. It just like gracefully just like...
Yeah, that was like surfing. Like cement surfing.
It was just so smooth and like effortless. So I wanted to get out before like the people who lived right there ran out and saw who it was.
You may have won, but we had more fun.
Is that good? I'm sorry if it smells like burnt rubber, and there might be a smoke cloud down there, but just ignore it.
Is it hot?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's hot.
Gosh, honestly. No.
Should I turn it around the other way?
Well, his isn't backed in. I'm not gonna lie though, when you turned and started going towards the sidewalk, I was like, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
I knew the limits. As soon as it wasn't going, it let off. I'm like, ah, whatever.
Hey. All right, so a little bit of an update. We came home. We've been at Seth's house for a while, just chilling. Look at this dog. This dog is like, I don't know if it's like a pug or whatever, but it looks like a pig, and it'll like snort and fart like a pig. I mean, I guess pigs don't fart, but I don't know. I'm really tired. But we've just been chilling at Seth's house, pretty much doing nothing, because it's been a crazy week. This dog is so freaking cute. Comment below if you know what kind of dog this is. I don't know what it's called, but like his nose is like, it's like flat to his face. It's so funny. Yeah, get in there. Yeah. So I'm a good pug. I don't know if it's a pug or English bulldog or what, but this dog is adorable. Listen. Anyway, but enough of that. I'm probably gonna go ahead and end today's video because it's already like 11 o'clock and there's a lot of stuff we gotta do tomorrow. But hopefully you've enjoyed this vlog so far today, because I don't even know what all we've done today because every single day has been something different. If you're not subscribed already, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button on this video. Also comment down below what video you want to see next. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.